Not all water flossers are created equal. Only Waterpik is the original trusted leader for 6 decades and the #1 water flosser brand in the world. With over 80 clinical studies and more than 700 patents worldwide, Waterpik uses technology to create an effective combination of water pressure and pulsations, cleaning deep between teeth and below the gum line where brushing misses. Here's how it works. Warm water is pulled from the reservoir, moves through the internal mechanics, and out the jet tip. Waterpik is proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas and improves gum health versus string floss. It's the #1 brand recommended by U.S. dental professionals. Waterpik provides a fast, easy, and effective professional level clean you can feel and see in your healthy smile.